first house on as they go by. And in fact, he has been on board the Carrie B a handful of times. Even steered it once. On the backside, you'll see a staircase laced in 14 karat gold. Further down, just beyond this house, you'll see this plot of land with all these trees. Just beyond that house, bought a trash truck and went all around town collecting trash. When the company became big, he made hairs. Coming back to your left side, you guys will see this area that we call a triangle. And that's because if you guys... Just beyond that house, you're going to see... So the new owner, his name is Joe Lewis, and he is a British billionaire that owns all 34 acres of Marijuana. The owner of this yacht started that series, Time Saving. They also own Princess of America and Kenyon Cruise Lines. With the windows blown up and some purple bushes in the back. Well, not that Tom Cruise. This is Tom Cruise the K, the kind of come around some yachts, even larger than those ones over there, to attention charter or Bible. Pirate jokes, once again, and you all pretend to laugh at me, yet again. Or, option B,